How to auto-animate subtitles in DaVinci Resolve. From Timeline menu, choose Create Subtitles from Audio. Leave everything at default and click Create. After DaVinci created the subtitle for you, right-click on the subtitle track and choose Export Subtitle. Export it to a location you like. In your browser, go to editingtools.io website. Drag the subtitle you exported into this text box. Set from to SRT, and convert to DaVinci Resolve subtitles as titles. Set your timeline frame rate and click Generate. Now download this file. Now in DaVinci, right-click in Media Pool and choose Timelines, Import, and choose the first option. Select the file you just downloaded. Press Ctrl+A to select all the text layers and press Ctrl+X to cut them. Double-click on your original timeline, move the playhead to the start, and press Ctrl+V to paste them. Adjust the text layer's position to match the captions above if they aren't already matched. Right-click on the subtitle track and choose Delete Track. Now we have these text layers instead of subtitle captions, which we can animate, pop in, pop out, and fade with animation. Select all the text layers and open up Inspector and click on Settings tab. Adjust their position. In the Title tab, change their style to your liking. Now from Effects panel, click on Video Transitions. Here you can use these transitions between the text layers to animate them. Preview the transition by hovering over it. Right-click on the transition you like and choose Set as Standard Transition. From DaVinci Resolve menu, choose Preferences. From User tab, click on Editing and change Standard Transition duration to your liking. I set it to 5 frames and click OK. Select all the text layers and press Ctrl+T to apply the standard transition to all of them.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Mia who had a love for all things creative.